A dictionary is similar to a list. It contains a set of items. But instead of passing an index number like 0 or 1 to retrieve an item, in a dictionary each value is associated with a key. To paint a picture, here is a table with some information. In the first column are the keys, and in the second column are the values. This is what the information from the table looks like as a dictionary in Python. The part before the colon is the key, and the part after the colon is the value. Together they are called a key-value pair. Each key-value pair is separated by a comma. To print the value for a key, pass the key inside a function. Note that in Python a dictionary is written with curly brackets. Dictionaries are mutable, like lists, so you can add new key-value pairs like this. Like lists, you can start a dictionary empty and then fill it with key-value pairs. The del method can be used to delete a key-value pair. A dictionary can also be written like this in Python. All the keys can be printed with a for loop. You can also choose to omit the keys method, because the default is to print the keys in a for loop. So this will produce the same result. A for loop can also be used to print out all the values in a dictionary. Finally, we can also print both the keys and the values at the same time with the help of the items method. First, define two variables, one to store the key and one to store the value. We use the items method on the dictionary. Then we have two print functions, one to print the keys and one to print the values.